Find div f bar where f bar is grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. So it is the problem. We have to find out divergence f bar where f bar is a gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. Solution. Given f bar. So to find div f bar, first we have to simplify given vector point function, that is f bar is grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. But what is mean by grad? Grad means vector differential operator del, that is a del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. Del is a vector differential operator, that is I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3x yz. Now operating this scalar point function with each vector, so we will get I bar into dou by dou x of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus ax yz plus j bar dou upon dou y plus k bar dou by dou z of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3x yz. Now f bar is I bar into dou by dou x of differentiating partially with respect to x, keep yz as constant. X cube derivative is 3x square, y cube derivative becomes 0, z cube derivative becomes 0, minus 3x yz. In this, minus 3yz is keep it as a silent, x derivative is 1, plus j bar into dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz, that is x cube derivative 0, y cube derivative 3y square, z cube derivative 0, minus 3xyz derivative is minus 3xz, plus k bar into dou by dou z, x cube derivative 0, y cube derivative 0, z cube derivative 0, minus 3xyz. So x cube derivative 0, y cube derivative 0, z cube derivative is 3z square, minus 3xyz is keep it as a silent, z derivative is 1, is f bar. Now the obtained f bar is clearly is in the form f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. So what is f1 here? 3x square minus 3yz. f2 is 3y square minus 3xz. f3 is 3z square minus 3xy. Now we can easily compute divergence of f bar. So thus we will have div f bar. The formula is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Dou f1 by dou x, differentiating f1 partially with respect to x, keeping yz as constant. 3x square derivative is 6x minus 3yz derivative is 0, because the term which does not contain any x, so whose derivative becomes 0. Similarly, differentiating partially with respect to y to the function f2 and differentiating partially with respect to z to the function f3. So we will get 6y plus 6z. So it is the required div f bar. Clearly div f bar is a scalar. So next problem. The problem is show that 3y power 4 z square I bar minus 2x square z square j bar plus 4x square y square k bar is solenoidal. Proof. So we have to show that its vector point function is solenoidal. For this, defining the vector point function with f bar. So let f bar 3y power 4 z square I bar minus 2x square z square j bar plus 4x square y square k bar. So clearly this is in the form f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Comparing f bar with f1i plus f2j plus f3k, we will have f1 3y power 4 z square, f2 minus 2x square z square, f3 4x square y square. Now computing div f bar. So what is the formula? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So differentiating f1 partially with respect to x, keeping yz as constant. So whose derivative becomes 0. Dou f2 by dou y. Differentiating f2 partially with respect to y, keeping xz as constant. So clearly the term which is free from y. So the term is treated as a constant. Now we know that always the constant derivative is 0. So it becomes 0. Similarly, dou f3 by dou z, which is free from z, the derivative of f3 becomes 0. So thus we will have div f bar value is 0, which implies that f bar is a solenoidal. Hence proof. F bar is a solenoidal vector point function. So problem is clear. Div f bar value is 0, which implies that f bar is solenoidal. So coming to next sum. If f bar is x plus 3y into I bar, y plus 2z into j bar, x plus pz into k bar. Then find is a solenoidal vector, then find p, then find the value of p. So solution, given f bar, clearly it is in the form f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So what is f1 here? X plus 3y, f2 is y plus 2z, and f3 is x plus pz. Now given f bar is solenoidal. So what is meant by solenoidal? Solenoidal means div f bar is 0. But what is meant by div f bar? Whenever f bar is in the form f1i plus f2j plus f3k, we have a formula, that is div f bar is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z is equal to 0. So differentiating f1 partially with respect to x, x derivative is 1, 3y derivative is 0, plus dou f2 by dou y. Differentiating f2 partially with respect to y, keeping xz as constant. So y derivative is 1, 2z derivative 0, plus last one x plus pz derivative with respect to z. X derivative is 0, pz derivative is p. Because while differentiating partially with respect to z, keeping xy as a constant, x derivative is 0, pz derivative is p. So which is equal to 0, which implies that p value is minus 2. So it is the required value of p. So 2 is related to the right hand side, it will becomes negative 2, thus p value is minus 2. With this value of p, clearly the given vector point function becomes solenoidal. So once again, given f bar is in the form f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Clearly given that f bar is solenoidal, already given f bar is solenoidal, just we have to find out p value. So given f bar is solenoidal, so the div f bar value is 0. Div f bar value formula is dou f1 upon dou x plus dou f2 upon dou y plus dou f3 upon dou z, which is equated to 0. Just computing the partial derivatives of f1, f2 and f3. So taking the sum is equated to 0, which gives the required parameter value, that is a p value here, constant value. P value is minus 2. Next, going to next sum. Problem. Find divergence of r cube r bar. Problem is divergence of r cube r bar. Now what is the value? The solution. Consider div of r cube into r bar. The result is done in 3 ways. Div means summation I dot dou by dou x. Using that formula, we can evaluate div. Or first we will compute r cube into r bar. What is r bar? R bar is xi plus yj plus zk. So just we have to know about this information regarding these problems. R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and dou r bar by dou x is I bar. Dou r bar by dou y is j bar. Dou r bar by dou z is k bar. And dou r upon dou x is x by r. Dou r upon dou y, y by r. Dou r upon dou z is z by r, because r is root of x square plus y square plus z square. R is the magnitude of r bar. Now taking squaring on both sides, r square is x square plus y square plus z square. So differentiating this one with partially with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, we will get these values. This information is needed to find the divergence of like these problems having r bar as a position vector containing r bar. So just we have to know about these information which is to be remembered. Problem is can be solved in 3 models. So one is div means del dot product between these two vectors r cube into r bar, or using summation notation, that is a summation of I dot dou by dou x of, or can be taken as del dot. Div means del dot. Easiest way is del dot r cube into r bar. Now del is nothing but vector differential operator using product rule, as it is the same as in differentiation. What is the product rule? Yes, the product rule is d by dx of uv is uv dash plus vu dash. So like this, r cube is kept as a silent. Now we have to apply del dot r bar. Next, here r bar is kept silent, del is applied to the r cube. Okay, so that is r cube del dot r bar. But what is the value of del dot r bar? Yes, del means I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z of r bar. R bar is xi plus yj plus zk, operating using dot product between two vectors. So just we have to know about I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1. So that is a dou by dou x of x 1, dou by dou y of y 1, dou by dou z of z 1. So we will have del dot r bar. So del dot r bar value is 3. So simple. Now r bar dot product with del of r cube. But what is the value of del of r cube? So we will have del of f of r. But what is the formula for del of f of r? F dash of r into r bar by r. In previous class we have taken this statement, del of f of r is f dash of r into del r or r bar by r. So using this notation, del of r cube. But what is the del of r cube? 3r square into r bar by r. Just use f of r as r cube and f dash of r means its derivative. R cube derivative is 3r square. Now just we have to write r bar upon r. So simplifying, we will get 3r cube plus, clearly r get cancelled, that is 3r, r bar dot r bar. But what is r bar dot r bar? Yes, r bar dot r bar is r bar modulus of r bar square, that is r square. Already we have r square into r, that is r cube. Now 3r cube plus 3r cube is 6r cube. So once again, r bar dot r bar. R bar means xi plus yj plus zk dot product with the same vector, that is xi plus yj plus zk. Now taking dot product, that is x into x is x square plus y into y is y square plus z into z is z square. But what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? It is nothing but r square. So replacing this, del of r cube is 3r square into r bar by r get cancelled, and r bar dot r bar. Whenever we applying a dot product between two vectors, so dot product is applied in between two vectors. R bar is dot producted with r bar, not scalar, not with scalar. So r bar dot r bar is r square. So thus we will get the required value of derivative of r cube into r. So students, remember these values. R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Then dou r bar by dou x is I bar. Dou r bar by dou y is j bar plus dou r bar by dou z is k bar. And dou r upon dou x is x by r. Dou r upon dou y is y by r. And dou r upon dou z is z by r. Because r bar is xi plus yj plus zk, and whose magnitude r is modulus of r bar, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides, we will get r square is x square plus y square plus z square. These values must and should be remembered to get the properties or small identities or the problems related to divergence or curl while finding the values for r bar involving the position vector r bar about the point p of xyz about origin. Next going to next sum. We are going to next sum. Problem is find derivative of r power n into r bar. Or this problem can also be given as prove that derivative of r power n into r bar is n plus 3 into r power n. Hence show that r bar by r cube is solenoidal. R bar by r cube is solenoidal. Or this problem also given as prove that r power n into r bar is solenoidal if n equal to -3 -3. So problem is an important one. Prove a solution. So first we have to find out derivative of r power n into r bar, or we have to show derivative of r power n into r bar is this value, and then we have to show that r bar by r cube is solenoidal. Or first we have to prove that r power n into r bar is solenoidal whenever n is -3. So that means we have to compute the value of n whenever the given vector r power n into r bar is solenoidal. So let f bar is r power n into r bar. But what is r bar? R bar is nothing but xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So operating with r power n, x into r power n I bar plus y into r power n j bar plus z into r power n k bar. So it is the value of f bar. Now we can compute divergence of f bar. So what is the divergence of f bar? Divergence of f bar means divergence of r power n into r bar. But what is mean by divergence? Divergence means del dot r power n r bar. But what is a del? Del means vector differential operator, that is I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. So which is a dot product with r power n into r bar. But what is r power n into r bar? X into r power n I bar plus y into r power n j bar plus z into r power n k bar. So which is already we have done r power n into r bar. Now dot product between these two vectors. So already we have formula. So that is a1i plus a2j plus a3k dot product with b1i plus b2j plus b3k is a1b1 plus a2b2 plus a3b3. Because I dot i1, j dot j1, k dot k1, I dot j0, j dot k0, k dot i0. So already we know that dot product between two vectors. So we have studied earlier classes. So that is dou by dou x of x into r power n plus dou upon dou by y into r power n plus dou by dou z of z into r power n. But what is the dou by dou x of x into r power n? So which is to be differentiated using product rule. The product rule is r power n kept as silent, x derivative is 1 plus x kept as silent, r power n derivative. R power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 and dou r upon dou x. So we have to differentiate r also, don't forget, because r is in terms of x, y, z. What is r? R is root of x square plus y square plus z square. So whose derivative is given by dou r upon dou x. Similarly, dou by dou y of same as first term. So that is r power n kept silent, y derivative is 1 plus y kept silent, r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into dou r upon dou y. So taking the partial derivative with respect to z for the last term, so that is using product rule. What is product rule? U v dash plus v u dash. So here r power n is kept silent, z derivative is 1 plus z kept as a silent, r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into dou r upon dou z. Every time we have to differentiate r with respect to x, y, z respectively, because r is in terms of x, y, z, we have to give the preference per r whose derivative is given by dou r upon dou z with respect to z. Now simplifying this one, so once again I will explain. So r power n into r bar, just taking r power n is multiplied with this vector to each term, that is r power n xi plus y r power n j bar, z r power n k bar. Now consider left hand side. So but what is mean by del? Divergence means del dot product between these two vectors, that is dou by dou x of x into r power n, dou by dou y of y into r power n, dou by dou z of z into r power n. Because the dot product between two vectors, if a1i plus a2j plus a3k is first vector, second vector is b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then whose dot product is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, like that. So thus we will have the value of div f bar. But what is mean by div f bar? What is f bar here? R power n into r bar. So value is r power n. We will have r power n, r power n, r power n. So three similar terms. So r power n plus r power n plus r power n is 3 r power n. And we will have a similar term in observing alternate terms, that is n into r power n minus 1. Now taking out n into r power n minus 1, we will have x into dou r upon dou x plus in next term y into dou r upon dou y, last term z into dou r upon dou z. So thus which gives div of r power n into r bar is 3 r power n plus n into r power n minus 1 dou r upon dou x. Already I told dou r upon dou x is x by r, dou r upon dou y, y by r, dou r upon dou z, z by r. So replacing these values, we will have x square by r plus y square by r plus z square by r. So 3 into r power n plus n into r power n minus 1, taking the LCM as on x square plus y square plus z square. But what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? R square. So clearly one of r get cancelled, 3 r power n, r into r power n minus 1 is r power n, because a power m into a power n is a power m plus n, like that r power n minus 1 into r is r power n. Now taking r power n as common, so we will have 3 plus n into r power n. So it is the required value of div of r power n into r bar. Now the sum is completed. Div of r power n into r bar is this value. Second sum is also completed, but we have to show that r bar by r cube is a solenoid. Last one, coming to last one. What is the last one here? Prove that r power n into r bar is solenoidal if n equal to -3. So we have a definition for solenoidal vector. What is a solenoidal? If div f bar is 0, then f bar is called solenoidal. So solenoidal r power n into r bar is solenoidal, then whose divergence r power n into r bar is Martian should be 0. So which implies that just we have computed the div of r power n into r bar, that is 3 plus n into r power n is equal to 0. So which implies that n value is -3, because r power n is cannot be 0. R power n cannot be 0 because what is r? R is root of x square plus y square plus z square. It cannot be 0. If it is 0, the problem becomes 0. So r power n cannot be 0. The constant n plus 3 Martian should be equated to 0, which implies that n equal to -3. So we will have div of r power n into r bar is equal to 0 whenever n equal to -3. That means r power n into r bar is a solenoidal whenever n equal to -3. So the second last one is completed. The value of n is -3. So clearly proved. Now coming to second result. So since we will have div of r power n into r bar, the value is n plus 3 into r power n. Now what is n here? N value is -3. So replacing this value, that is a divergence of r power -3 into r bar. So that is divergence of r bar upon r cube. So the value is equal to 0, because in case of n is -3, the vector point function is solenoidal. So here r bar by r cube is solenoidal, must and should be this value becomes 0. When this value is 0, so whenever n value is -3, so already proved here, n value is -3, then divergence of r power n into r bar becomes 0. So r bar by r cube is must and should be 0, is solenoidal. Hence proved. Simple thing. So once again, if we take n value is -3 plus 3, 0, 0 into r power n is 0, div of r bar by r cube is 0, which implies that r bar by r cube is a solenoidal vector. Okay, so div of r power n into r bar is computed. Now we have to prove that r bar by r cube is solenoidal, taking n as a -3. So just replacing n as -3, -3 plus 3 is 0, 0 into r power n is 0. Thus we will have r power -3 can be written as 1 by r cube. Already we have r bar here, r bar upon r cube. Now divergence of, if divergence of any vector point function is 0, then vector is called solenoidal. So div of r bar by r cube is 0, which implies that r bar by r cube is solenoidal. Hence proved. Next, coming